Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and then start the installer. Install on a clean, supported Windows server and sign in with Azure AD Global Admin. Once done, create or confirm the AD service account and grant required permissions like replicate directory changes. Make sure to open necessary ports and firewall rules and confirm outbound access to Microsoft endpoints. Run the Azure AD Connect executable. Choose Express or Customize based on complexity. This gets you into the configuration wizard and ready for matching directories. You now configure sync options in the wizard, focusing on the how and why. Choose Custom to control OU filtering, attribute mapping, and staging mode when you need granular control. Use Express when time is short. Decide between password hash sync, pass-through authentication, or apps federation based on your security and single sign-on requirements. Make sure to set the correct source anchor and attribute mappings to avoid duplicate objects. Once configured, validate connectors and preview a sync to confirm expected users and groups. Finish by running the initial full synchronization and monitoring progress in the Sync Service Manager. Once done, verify objects in Azure AD, UPN, proxy addresses, and group memberships, and enable staging mode if you need a safe cutover. Make sure to schedule regular sync cycles and install Azure AD Connect health agents. If things go wrong, check Windows event logs and Azure AD Connect logs, run ID fix to correct AD data, re-import any expired certificates, and force a delta or full sync to reapply changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.